walking over here to the camp. They're not really all that bothered by me. But I will have to keep an eye on it in case something changes. Well, I've been just running around, so haven't been able to keep this on as much as I wanted to. Mostly for safety. So I'm trying to hang out near a tree in case I need to tuck around one at the last minute. 4 hours. Great water. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is reality. Sweaty. Hot, sweaty, and thirsty. Thankfully, got the AC going. It's 93 according to my weather. So I don't know how long they're going to stay here. I moved down, but there were some people taking pictures, and the horses keep adjusting anyway. So I think what's happening is there's a couple males who want to mate with one of the females, and she's not really interested right now. So I'm moving on. Starting to get a little too busy here. Not the only one who had the idea of coming out on one of the last cool days. We are at Goldfield now. There's a turkey vulture flying right there. That I can see right here. So I might just hike back up,
through the rest of the hobbit trees and get up to the main trail through Goldfield and see if I see anything up that way. I'm gonna walk down a little bit further, following this trail that way. That heads towards the mud cliffs that you've also seen, I think, in the Eagles video, before probably heading back if we don't see any horses here. Back to the mud cliffs and still no sign of horses. I'm probably going to start making my way back so I don't lose lights. So unfortunately didn't get any horses. But I'll be back. I'm driving into Coon Bluff and I have no idea what's going to be here. Might have to do a little hiking. The right idea. Shade. Okay, I'm at, ow. This is Coon Bluff. Oh my goodness, I just scared off a vermilion flycatcher. Of course I did. So I stopped here real quick to get some footage of this area. It's really some gorgeous scenery in here. I've never used Merlin out here or even at the preserve. Talk about late to the game. Favourite's towhee, common yellowthroat, brown crested flycatcher, house finch, red-winged blackbird, Bubick's wren, great-tailed grackle, orange-tailed warbler, orange-crowned warbler, Lucy's warbler. Alright, so you know what this means. I'm going to have to get out my 100-500 and do a little bird videography. I'm just gonna stay here about 15 more minutes. I'm so sorry, I'm so distracted watching. Sorry I dumped you. I am driving into the recreation site. Didn't end up getting any horses at Coon Bluff. Got a little birding there at the end. I appreciate you being patient with me with that. And most people just don't notice when you actually stop. Birding's pretty cool. Again, every recreation site just has a, kind of a different vibe.
just basically sat down at Fondue and immediately spotted a blue heron across the river. It's very reedsy. It reminds me a lot of the preserve, where, of course, I find blue herons hanging out in the reeds all the time. My battery's not gonna last much longer, but hopefully this was a good introduction to the various recreation sites that are here and wildlife. Thanks for coming along with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like button, and please comment. I'd love to hear feedback. What you think of the content so far. Just letting me know that you're out there and connecting a little bit.